Imagine you're in a situation where someone does something really nice for you, and all you can say is, thank you. You have to admit, it's a little boring, right? Hi everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Practice. As we all know, expressing gratitude is an important part of communication. But how you say, thank you, can vary depending on the situation and your relationship with the person you're addressing. Let's explore a range of options, from casual expressions perfect for friends to formal phrasings suitable for professional settings. Okay, the first casual expression you can use instead of thank you is thanks a bunch. This expression is perfect when you're really thankful and want to keep it light and friendly. Imagine your friend helps you move some heavy furniture, and you say, thanks a bunch, man. Let me buy you a drink. A very important pronunciation point you need to pay attention to here is the th sound in thanks, thanks, thanks. And the two words, thanks, and a, are also linked together. Thanks a, thanks a, thanks a bunch, thanks a bunch, thanks a bunch.
Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch.
Thanks a bunch. Thanks a bunch.
Thanks a bunch, Sandy. Thanks a bunch, Sandy.
Next, we have thanks a ton. Similar to thanks a bunch, this expression adds an extra emphasis on your gratitude. For instance, if someone stays late to help you finish a project, you might say, thanks a ton, I couldn't have done it without you. Again, notice the linking. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton.
Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton. Thanks a ton.
Another really common way to say thanks is, I owe you one. This is great for when someone does you a favor, and you're acknowledging that you will return the favor in the future. For example, after borrowing a friend's car, you might say, I owe you one. I owe you one. I owe you one. I owe you one.
Thank you, Julian. I owe you one. Thank you, Julian. I owe you one.
I owe you one. I owe you one.
I owe you one. I owe you one.
Next up, we have thanks a lot. This can be used both sincerely and sarcastically, depending on the tone. Sincerely, you might use it after someone gives you a great recommendation. Thanks a lot for the tip about that restaurant. Listen and repeat after me. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Next one. You shouldn't have. When someone goes out of their way to do something special for you, this phrase shows your appreciation and surprise. For example, a friend surprises you with a gift or goes above and beyond what you expected. Instead of the boring thank you, you can say, wow, you shouldn't have. This is amazing. Here, shouldn't is the contracted form of should not. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
You shouldn't have. You shouldn't have.
Another expression that is really common in spoken English is thanks a million. This expression amplifies your gratitude and is suitable for significant favors or help. If someone helps you get a job interview, you could say, thanks a million for recommending me to your boss. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million.
Thanks a million. Thanks a million.
Thanks a million. Thanks a million.
Thanks a million. Thanks a million.
The next slang expression is a bit more traditional, and you might have heard it all the time. Many thanks. This phrase signifies that you're truly grateful and appreciative. It's a good choice for situations where a simple thanks might not feel sufficient, but the situation isn't formal enough to warrant a very formal phrasing. Notice the word stress pattern here. Many, many, many thanks, many thanks, many thanks.
Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks. Many thanks.
Many thanks. Many thanks.
Okay, another casual way to say thanks is, I can't thank you enough. This phrase conveys a deep sense of gratitude. For example, If a friend helped you study for a big exam, you might say, I can't thank you enough for helping me study all night. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough.
I can't thank you enough. I can't thank you enough.
The next expression on today's list is, thanks for having my back. This is used when someone supports you through a tough situation. It shows your appreciation for their loyalty and friendship, letting them know their presence made a difference. For instance, after a friend defends you in an argument, you could say, thanks for having my back out there. Thanks for having my back. Thanks for having my back. Thanks for having my back.
Thanks for having my back. Thanks for having my back.
Thanks for having my back up there. Thanks for having my back up there.
Thanks for having my back, Tash. Thanks for having my back, Tash.
Another very informal, enthusiastic way to show appreciation, especially among friends, is, you rock. This is a fun and informal way to express how awesome you think someone is for their help. If a friend goes out of their way to cheer you up, you might say, you rock. Thanks for always being there. You rock. You rock. You rock.
You rock. You rock. You rock.
Now that we've covered the casual side of gratitude, let's switch gears and explore how to express thankfulness in more formal settings. These expressions are ideal for professional environments or situations where you need to convey respect and politeness. First, we have, thank you very much. This is a straightforward and respectful way to show appreciation. It's polite, clear, and gets the message across effectively. For example, in a business email, you might write, thank you very much for your prompt response. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay. Now this next phrase is quite straightforward. I appreciate it. This phrase shows your sincere thanks for someone's effort or help. It's a step up from a simple, thanks, because it acknowledges the time or effort they put in. Perhaps a colleague stayed late to help you finish a presentation, you can say, I appreciate it. Take note of the word stress pattern here. Appreciate. Appreciate. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Another common phrase is, that's so kind of you. This expression acknowledges someone's kindness. On top of simply thanking them, it shows you appreciate their thoughtfulness and generosity of spirit. Imagine a supervisor offering you some words of encouragement. This phrase lets them know you recognize their support beyond just the words themselves. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you.
Oh, that's so kind of you, Mrs. Walsh. Oh, that's so kind of you, Mrs. Walsh.
That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you.
That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you.
Now, to emphasize a very high level of gratitude, often used for something significant, we can say, I'm beyond grateful. It will help you express deep gratitude in a formal manner. Perhaps a coworker helped you land a dream job. This phrase expresses the depth of your appreciation for their impactful support. I'm beyond grateful for your recommendation, Daniel. It helped me land my dream job. Again, remember to take note of the word stress patterns here. Beyond. Beyond. Grateful. Grateful. I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful.
I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful.
I'm beyond grateful. I'm beyond grateful.
A more specific way to thank someone for their assistance is, I appreciate your help. This phrase tailors your thanks to the specific action someone took. Perhaps a client offered you valuable feedback on your work. Using this phrase shows you recognize the value of their contribution. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
I appreciate your help. I appreciate your help.
Another formal phrase to emphasize the genuineness of your gratitude is, you have my sincere thanks. This is a powerful way to show your appreciation. Often used in written communication or formal speeches. You have my sincere thanks. You have my sincere thanks. You have my sincere thanks. Another similar phrase is, please accept my gratitude. This is a very formal way to express thanks, often used in writing or speeches. It's a polite and respectful way to show appreciation, particularly suitable for expressing thanks to someone you may not know well. Listen and repeat after me. Please accept my gratitude. Please accept my gratitude. Please accept my gratitude. Alright everyone, now you have a variety of ways to express your gratitude, whether you're chatting with friends or writing a formal email. Remember, the right words can make all the difference in showing your appreciation and strengthening your relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips on effective communication in English and other useful content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite way to say thank you, or let us know if you have any suggestions for future videos. Until next time, keep spreading positivity and gratitude. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.